looking. Next date, let's move.
Single, taken, or somewhere in between? This is just for you. Come for the fun and stay for the memories.
Okay, I'm going to ask, what's your favorite street food? Is it shawarma or suya?
That would be suya. It needs to be extra spicy before I can take it.
From 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. singles, get ready to mingle, have fun, laugh, and perhaps find someone who likes spicy suya, just like you.
Alright. I am actually blowing a whistle for this.
A dating show never tested this good. Welcome to Date Night with Elegant, an unforgettable experience you want to have. As for couples, the real fun is here. Get ready for the best fun of your life. Music, entertainment, and vibes that will have you falling in love all over again, and maybe for the first time. Just 5,000 naira for the early birds. And then if you're coming to buy your ticket on the event day, you are going to be paying just 10k for the tickets. But listen, I want you to secure your tickets right now. Be among the early birds that will pick up their tickets for just 5k. Suya, shawarma, love, fun, food, dreams, and laughter. What more do you need? See you there. Okay, so most of you all don't even know I sing. Alright, so I am going to be unveiling my first ever, best ever album, a moment of a lifetime that I'm going to be showcasing my musical skills to you all. Alright, so you check this out.
Girl, you lied. I thought you said you hold me tight. I thought you said you'd be there forever. That I'll be your baby boy and you will be my baby girl for life. Yeah. I like the way you wind your body. I like the way you shake your body. I like the way you twist your body. I like the way you, yeah. Come and dance with me, baby girl, come and dance with me, yeah, yeah. I wanna dance with you, baby girl, I wanna dance with you, yeah, yeah. Come on.
Alright, so just to inform you, I am going to be doing a live performance of most of my songs on that day, alongside other dope artists in Lagos, Nigeria at large. Alright, so I know this is an event you do not want to miss out. So waste no time, be the first to secure your tickets. Alright, so all you have to do is contact the number on your screen right now and secure your tickets and be live on my listening party alongside the Date Night with Elegant, and which of course I am your humble host. It's a romance, couples, singles, mingles show, and also it's a listening party, the best of its kind. Don't miss out. I want to see you. Be the first to meet me there.